Hi, welcome to .NET X .NET Design Patterns live training program. My name is Shailen Chauhan. I'm Microsoft MVP, technical consultant and corporate trainer. In this training program, you will learn about the software design principles and patterns you should know being a .NET developer and being a .NET architect. So before going to start the training, let's understand what are the software design principles and design patterns. So software design principles are a set of guidelines that helps developers to make a good system design, because when you're working on a system, so when it is coming to the maintenance, when it is coming to the code quality, so there make sure you are following a set of guidelines so that we will able to make our system design good. So software design patterns are the predefined solution to the common problems which you might face while building your software. So design patterns in fact are all about reusable design and interaction of objects in our code, like how the objects in our code will interact with each other and how we can reuse the design whatever we have designed already. So such things we just going to do with the help of design patterns in better way. So software design patterns provide a solution to a particular problem and scenario which can be implemented in any language. So design patterns are not limited to the .NET, Java and the PHP. They can be implemented in any language. Now let's see what are the prerequisites to get started with this training program. So prerequisite is here, you should know the C# and OOPS. And as an IDE, we will use a Visual Studio 2019. And now let's see what are the things you will learn in this training program. So in this training program, first we will start with the solid design principles, which are the recommended to get started with to design our system. So in the solid design principle, we having various design principles we should keep in mind while architecting your software. Like we having the single responsibility principle, open close principle, Liskov substitution principle, interface segregation principle, dependency inversion principle. So these principles, real life example I will share with you so that you will be able to understand and use them while designing your software. Then we discuss about the creational design patterns, which are the part of the gang of 4 design patterns. So gang of 4 design patterns having the 23 design patterns. So all the 23 design patterns, use cases, example, you will see in this training program. So all the 23 gang of 4 design patterns, use cases and example I will share with you so that you can use them while building your software. So creational design patterns in one of them. Then we talk about a structure design patterns, which is also the part of gang of 4. Then we talk about the behavioral design patterns, which is also the part of the gang of 4. So these 23 design patterns, use cases and the example you will learn in this training program so that you will able to use in your real project to make your system better. Then you will learn about the architectural patterns. So in architectural patterns, we discuss about the layered architecture pattern, MVC pattern, SOA, REST and microservices architecture. I hope you will join me in this journey to learn .NET design patterns with .NET X live training program. See you in the live session.